Yeah, he.
Oh yeah, 3-2.
Yeah, the winner race.
No. He's got to score. If he misses, then.
Oh yeah.
Yo.
You missed that one. You're gonna eat my winter lollipop, bitches. Come on, man. Come on, no.
Nana, you got pressure, mate.
Yo, hey, don't use all your strength. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Oh.
He put me off, man. That's not fair. He put me off. That's not fair, man. Wait, he raised corner now. He's finished.
Now it's you two racing.
He raised that corner kick.
No, Nana doesn't want to do it. No, Nana, you got to race it. You have to race it in. All of us.
Listen.
All of us.